In this video, I will show you how to set the user origin for an ESRT patient. First step is to be in the correct workspace. We want to be in treatment planning, external beam planning. In this patient, a preview point came over with the CT scan, and this denotes Isocenter. I'm going to right mouse on preview and move viewing planes to structure. This places our 3 coordinate planes in the middle of the preview point. I will then select user origin and right mouse set user origin. I can then have 2 options. I can select the DICOM origin, which would be the center of our preview point, or I can select viewing plane intersection and hit apply. Both options would set the X, Y, and Z coordinate system to 0. And you can see that the Z, Y, and X are all 0 in this case. And this concludes how to set an isocenter for an ESRT lung patient.